Commandment 1. Thou shalt have no other leader but Joshua, because he's a man of peace, love, and equality, and does not stand for nonsense. Commandment 2. Thou shalt always remember, we cannot build a better Jamaica in violence. So like Father commanded the Son to stand still, so does Joshua commanded the guns to stop kill. Commandment 3. Thou shalt not kill, for he that liveth by the guns shall die by it. Commandment 4. Thou shalt always remember that every man is equal, regardless of society, race, or color. Commandment 5. Thou shalt not steal. Ask, and it shall be given. Seek, and you shall find. Commandment 6. Thou shalt always remember that every man is a child of the universe. Commandment 7. Thou shalt not steal. Commandment 8. Thou shalt always remember, whether you're rich or poor, black or white, the word is, hail that man.